Hey guys, how are you? Hope you will fine. Welcome to the course of web development provided by JS Academy. It is the third part of the video. In the last video, we had studied about attributes are in HTML. So in today's video, we are going to study about styles, HTML styles, that how we can do stylings in HTML, how elements are can be styled, how formatting can be done, and most important thing in the last video I'm going to tell you. So please watch the video at the last, subscribe the channel, like the video, and access the playlist. Most important thing, press the bell icon so that you will get our new video notification. So let's start. Today, in the last video, we study about attributes. So today we are here to study about HTML styling. That how we can do uh, style in our HTML element. So let's make style style.html new file. Okay. Now create the HTML syntax by pressing shift plus exclamation mark. You will get the option. Now click on that. First of all, change the title. That I am going to change the title to styles in HTML. HTML. Is that okay? Control plus enter to directly come your cursor in next line. So what is HTML style? HTML style is a type of attribute that add to an element such as color, font size, or more. We can style our element by adding style attribute. Let's take an example, heading tag. Let's create a heading tag and write something. Welcome to Jazz Academy. Okay. Now first of all, save this, control plus S, go live server. I taught you in the earlier video, click that and it will directly take to you that page. Like the follow the Facebook page of JS Academy, like the subscribe the YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Whoop. Now go to your HTML. What I said, we are going to use attribute we are putting in the first tag, opening tag. We are going to write the style keyword, then you will get the option, click what you want to change. Let's change the color. I want color aqua. Okay, save that and go to the browser, see what's happening. And we can say it is a part of style tag is a part of CSS, cascading style sheet. Yeah, we can say inline styling. About CSS we will learn later, but for this video, please just only hold the style attribute we are using in the opening tag to style any HTML element. Okay. Okay, then what is the thing that how you can style it? So what is that? First of all, h1 is a tag name means I want to say that you can tag name you can create by yourself also, right? I am creating tag from. Okay, and I am writing something, hi, how are you? Okay. Now save that, go to the live server, see. And now I can style this element also. How I can style? By writing the style keyword and let's make the border should be 3 rem. Rem is the unit used in it may be, no, sorry, control Z. Let's take style. Let's design the border should be solid 2 pixel, and the border color should be red. Save that. Go to that. See, you get the border. You can change the color also by putting here color. Color should be yellow. Yellow. Save that. See, you can change the color, you can change the border, you can do anything in the element by using style sheet. And this is the property of css. Earlier I said you that style is a property of css. We are using inline css. What we are using, this is inline, means in the inside the tag we are using the style attribute, so it is inline styling. Now you can change the background color. Let's change the background color. Background color should be aqua. Okay, save that. Go to the sheet. The background color. Hi, how are you? The background color should be also changed. You can change the size also. You can put this styling in any HTML element. You can put in paragraph. You can create by your own element. Or let's change the font size. Font size should be pre. Save it. Save. It will increase your site. So this is the property. Style tag is very useful. You can, and style attribute is very useful, and it is the inline styling. We are doing inline styling. There are three type of styling. We will learn it later, but for this time you know only this much. We will learn it later. Don't worry. We can style our text. We can do any type of styling, but remember that one styling is end with the semicolon. That border should be solid 2 pixel red, and it will end through a semicolon. Then another property should start, then end with the, then another property, then end. So the semicolon should very important. Okay. Now what is that? Use of style attribute for styling the element. Use background color for background color. Use color for text color. Text color used for coloring the our text. Okay. And background color is used to color the background. Okay. Font family means you can change the font family also. You can change font size. You can change text align. You can do anything by using style attribute. Okay. Now style attribute is only for this much. Let's create another that we are using a let's study about formatting. What is format? HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. Means we are going to play with the text. That how we can play with the text by let's say text dot html. Created next one, then shift exclamation mark click another. Let make the write it here text, sorry, formatting in html. Sorry, formatting in html. Okay. Now how we can do it? So in html, formatting element were designed to display special type of text. Okay, let's create first of all create a heading. I'm creating h2 heading. Write it here, welcome to the jazz academy. Okay, welcome to the jazz academy. Next I'm getting paragraph tag. I am creating dummy text lorem. How we can take, I want 20 text. Okay, 20 words. So click then I'm clicking, then next line, then back. Okay, how many types of uh, formatting? There are many type of formatting where we can play with the text. So let's start. Okay, first of all, save this, then again dispose it, go to the live server. Okay, this is a heading and this is a paragraph. Nothing is this, we studied it later, earlier, so I think you don't need to study about that what is that and what is this lorem vagara. We studied earlier. Okay, let's play with the text. I want to design only this dolor, or I want to design jazz academy. I want to bold it, so write this text in the bold b. Okay, control x, then go to that v, save it, go to that. Okay, okay, okay. No, this was earlier in the S2 tag. That's why it's not responding. I am using then attribute. Okay. Then the color should be red. Now save it. Then see, boom. What's that? It was just designing a text. Earlier, I think you will get some red. Don't worry. I'm using p tag here. P. You think that it was just mistake? Don't be. See, it was bold. Let's remove this styling. Save it. See, Gas Academy is now bold. So B tag is used for bold, and there are several tags like that strong tag. Then write it between something that hi, how are you? Okay, save it. See, you know the difference between Gas Academy B tag and strong tag. There are many differences there. The strong element, the HTML strong element, define the text in strong important. It is very important. It is used to define that the word is very important, and the content inside it typically bold. It was more bold than this b. Okay, and the b tag defines bold text without extra important. It defines without extra importance, but strong tag is used to define that the word is more important. That these are the difference between that b tag and strong tag. Okay, there are many tag also, that I tag. Let's study about that. I italic is used for I italic, that I space. Okay, okay, okay. I tag, then write it here. Whoa, this is me. Go to that. See, this is me. I think you let's create control X. Let's create another heading so that you will get it properly. Let's create heading that is H3. I'm getting to this is me. Save it. Go to the C. This is me is bold also because it is the property of element property of H3. Heading 3 tag is used in this, and it is slightly italic. Okay, the HTML italic element define the part of the text is alternate voice mode. or mood. Just slanting position. The content inside typically display italic. See, this is something like italic form. The word that welcome to Jazz Academy. Hi, how are you? The difference between the this is me is very okay. Now the there are many elements also. Let's study about them. Let's study about small tag. Let's create a heading, another heading, because we have to learn it properly. Okay, let's create the heading. Heading should be like Jazz Academy. Please subscribe our channel. Please sub subscribe our YouTube channel of Jazz Academy. Please subscribe the channel of Jazz Academy. Please do it in real. Okay. Let's using our small tag. Let's put these things in small tag. Small and end it here. Okay. Save this. Go to the browser. See. Please subscribe. Are you seeing that the subscribe is different from these all words? Subscribe is some type of small. It is making himself small in the behalf of these words. So small tag is used for small to do small your highlighting your that your element. Okay, then there are more tag. Mark tag is also. Let's use mark tag, and I think you will like this mark tag. Mark, using mark tag. Okay, let's this this and make it at last. See, are you seeing the difference between mark tag, italic tag, strong tag, and that what was it? Italic strong tag, bold tag. These are the difference between these types of. There are many more and more that uh, format is there in the HTML. Let's study. Make it again. I am just making again like using paragraph tag and styling that lorem. I'm using lorem. I want, oh, sorry. Lorem, I want 6 words. Okay, and I am going to first of all what we have studied, I am going to style it. So style attribute is used to what I want to change. I want to give it a the border. Let's give the border. Border should be solid, not so. Border should be okay. Solid for 2px. What is that 2px? It is a pixel that I will teach you later. So first of all, see that, and the color should be dark blue. Dark blue. Okay, then save it. Go to the browser. See. Okay. Are you seeing that the it will taking the whole. Okay, let's design our. One more thing I'm going to tell you, that please click on the and inspect it. Okay, see. Wow, we are. Let's inspect this. See how I will going to increase this, and it is going to increase. Now you understand that why we use inspect. From here we can check that the in which position our element should be there, so it will good for seeing by the user. Okay, then again I am saying that please follow the our that JS Academy page, and like the videos, subscribe the channel. So, and most important thing, just hit that like button, this high like button, so that you will get the notification in the future. Okay, let's cut that. Go to that, see I am going to refresh it, and it will. So it inspect is just for you, that you can change the styling at that only time up to you are at the browser. You can't change it permanently by you. How you can change? You can change permanent by going through that writing, where you are writing code in the permanent. When you want to do it permanent, you have to edit that in the main code, source code. Okay, so let's go to the what I was telling. I was telling that the del tag. Let's use that del tag. Going to this, then control V, then control S, then going to del. See, it is going to just do it mark that cut the word, showing that the word is deleted from here. Okay, del is used for deleting the word. And there one more insertion. Insertion is also used to insert a word, and the insertion should be here. Let's copy this. Jazz Academy, follow the Jazz Academy Facebook page, and subscribe the channel, like the videos, and hit the bell icon. I am saying again, because it is the best course in the whole YouTube. If you have any doubt, just comment it down under video. I am going to reply you personally. I am going to reply you personally. Please share your email address, so that I am going to reply you personally. That if you have any query, then just comment it down the video, that in this topic I am having that this much error, this is not working. I am going to help you personally. Okay, let's study insertion. ins where it is. ins I'm going to insert it, this, save it, going to this. See, if I am going to insert it, the border should be there, underline should be there. Jazz Academy is highlighted by underline, that I had inserted a word. Okay, so we had what we had studied. We had studied that in insertion, we had studied deletion. This is ins is used for, ins tag is used for insertion, del tag is used for delete. And the most important thing, if you want to play with the element, just use styling tag, styling attribute. It is a in, and you will like it. You will like it more and more, because it will give a color to your website. And we have, what we had studied, we have small tag to small the word, we have italic tag, and strong tag, bold tag. There are many more and more. There are many more and more elements are there. Let's recap it fastly. What we had, first of all, what we had studied, we had studied about styling, that how we can do styling in the HTML. And that styling is that inline styling. We are using inline styling. This is inline styling, in a line. In line, in a line we are styling the element. Okay, after that we had studied that the formatting, for text formatting in HTML. The first of all, what we are using b tag. B tag is used for bold text. The our text is bold. Okay, then what we are use, we are to strong tag. Strong tag is better than the bold tag, and just to show the important that this word is very important. Oh, okay. Then we had studied that the italic tag just define a part of the tag in an alternate voice mode, just slanting in a italic form. Small tag defines smaller text. Strong text define that important text, and sub delete tag is used to delete the text, and showing in there the user that this text is removed. Okay, insertion ins tag is used for inserting the text. Mark tag is used to mark. Mark tag is used to marking, highlighting the text. Okay, this type we can play with the text. We are just here to design the web page for front end, so we have to play with the words, we have to play with the elements, we have to play. Just we are here to play with the words. How much you will play, you will create a best and the creative web page for web development. And in the starting of video, what I said, I am going to tell you one special thing. So in the today's video, I am going to tell it that the special thing is that I am going to tell you about comments. We have heard it from many, everywhere, that what are the comments, that the comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help your document in your HTML source code. Let's understand. Today, in the today that you are writing a code. Okay, I had written this much code, and I want to show that the another developer that who is going to take my source code, and for remembrance of me also, I am going to just click control slash. You will get this much option. Write it here. This is text for getting. Okay, save it. See, it is not displayed in the browser. So comment is used to display another uh, coder, or for the remembrance of yourself, that why I had written this much code here, and what is the job of this code. So comment is very important for a developer. To write a comment, you are a good developer. If you are writing the comments, then you are a very good developer. So start writing comment. No need of copy, no need of pen. Just make the file, make the folder, and start writing code. If you know anything, if you don't know that, the search it and the write the comment under that element, so that in future you can remember that why I had written this much line, this much code. Okay, so this much is for today. If you want to study more and more, just like the video, subscribe the channel of Jess Academy, and hit the bell icon so that you will get the in future notification of our video. So please subscribe the channel, and if you have any type of query in any video, in any lecture, just comment it down the video. I am going to reply you personally. I am going to share your email address. I am going to tell you that how this happens. Thank you. Goodbye.